Hello, this problem is about composition mapping. Now, the mapping f and g on a set of real numbers are defined by f of x is equals to 2x plus 3 and g of x equals to 3x minus 2. Write the expression for the composite mapping f of g of x and g of f of x respectively. So, for f of g of x, what does this imply? This simply implies put the function g of x inside f. This is the function g of x, 3x minus 2. Now put it inside f. Invariably, what you're asked to do is, wherever you see x in the function f, replace that x by 3x minus 2. That is the meaning. So g of x to be inserted inside f means you put this function g of x inside f. You know, our f is what? 2x plus 3. Now that g of x is to be inserted inside f, that means instead of x that is here, we write what? We write 3x minus 2, then plus 3. Okay, so that will be by expansion 2 times 3x, that's what? 6x, 2 times minus 2, minus 4, then plus 3. Okay, and that will be what? 6x minus 1. I hope that is clear. So that is 6x minus 1. Now for the second one, g of f of x. Okay, now that means we are now going to, this is just the reverse of the first one. We are putting what? F of x inside what? G now. The function f of x will now be inserted inside g of x. So g of x is the base now. You put f of x there. So wherever we see x in g of x, we put f of x there. Again, you know, this is g of x, g of f of x. This is the base. Now 3 now into x minus 2. Our x will now become f of x. 2x plus 3, then minus 2. Which will be what? 6x. 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times 3 is 9. Then minus 2. That's what? 6x plus 7. So the question has been solved. F of g of x is what? 6x minus 1. G of f of x is 6x plus 7. Bye.